Ever craved a new financial experience but dreaded the application slog? We've all been there. Stacks of paperwork, endless verification calls, it's enough to make anyone switch back to that dusty checkbook. But what if there was a way to ditch the traditional banking blues and get up and running with a sleek, modern account in no time? That's the promise of Vivid Money, the challenger bank taking Europe by storm. So, the burning question, how long does it actually take to open a Vivid account? Fear not, fellow finance adventurer, because in this video, we're cracking the Vivid account speed code. We'll break down the entire process, from that first tap to activating your virtual card, so you can make informed decisions and get Vividified faster than ever. Spoiler alert, it's not your grandpa's bank account application. The two sides of the Vivid coin, personal versus business accounts. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Vivid caters to both personal and business needs, and the account opening process differs slightly for each. Personal accounts, lightning speed at your fingertips. Vivid prides itself on a streamlined and speedy application. Here's what you can expect. Signing up. The initial sign-up process is a breeze. Download the app, enter your details, and get ready to be impressed. Most users report completing this stage in under 10 minutes. Verification is key. Once you've submitted your info, Vivid needs to verify your identity. This usually involves snapping a selfie and uploading some ID documents. Here's where things can get a tad quicker or slower. If everything checks out and there's no high volume of applications, verification can be almost instant. However, during peak periods or with any complexities, it might take up to 24 hours. But wait, there's more. The beauty of Vivid is that you can start exploring some features even before full verification. Once your initial sign-up is complete, you can browse stock offerings and investment opportunities. Virtual card power, access in minutes. The best part? You don't have to wait for a physical card to start using your Vivid account. As soon as your account is verified, you can activate a virtual card within the app. This virtual card allows you to make online purchases immediately, keeping you in the financial fast lane. The physical card catch: patience is a virtue, kind of. The physical card, however, takes a bit longer to arrive. Expect it to land in your mailbox within 3 to 5 business days, depending on your location. But hey, with a virtual card at your disposal, those few days become a waiting game with minimal disruption. The business account, a different breed. Vivid's business account application is designed for efficiency, but with a slightly different approach. The 10-minute hustle, similar to personal accounts, the initial registration can be completed in roughly 10 minutes. Company verification takes center stage. Here's where the business account process diverges. Vivid needs to verify your company information, which can take up to 48 hours. This additional step ensures the legitimacy of your business and protects the integrity of the platform. So, how fast can you go Vivid? For personal accounts, with a little luck and a speedy verification process, you could be rocking a virtual card and exploring the Vivid universe within minutes. For business accounts, plan on a slightly longer wait as company verification takes center stage. The bottom line: ditch the wait, embrace the Vivid. Regardless of the account type, Vivid boasts a significantly faster application process compared to traditional banks. Plus, with instant virtual card access, you can start experiencing the benefits almost immediately. So, if you're ready to ditch the banking stone age and embrace a new era of financial flexibility, Vivid might be your perfect match. Download the app, sign up, and see how fast you can become Vividified. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.